Gates and all
So you say,
Yeah.
hold on. So you say, tell me what you're going on now, really and truly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Chris Blackwell and my father, man.
Chris Blackwell, your father
And Princess Diana, my mother.
and your mother. So,
Yeah.
so you was born what?
Born white.
You was born white.
And the Chinese, them do something to my kidney and my liver.
Yeah.
And me get black.
Seen.
And me there around here a few much years now.
Yeah.
And them hide me from my parents. And
Yeah.
me get big and find out the truth. Go
Yeah.
foreign and thing and come back and find out. And them
Yeah.
fight me down there.
So
Yeah,
I dip them dip you.
And I dip me and
Oh.
them just
Holy.
trick me. And
Eh?
then me go come out and come back one time.
Oh,
I'm
seen.
married and everything.
Seen.
And them trick me. But
Oh,
that
trick
came
them
and-
trick you?
Yeah, came an immigration system and I'm a youth there and stuff for them.
Seen. What you have over there?
We have around 3 youth that came and
Seen. Them black and them white.
brown.
Oh, them brown.
Yeah, them brown.
Oh, so none of them come white or black, them come brown. None of them come pink or purple.
No, they come brown.
Seen.
Brown skin.
Seen.
Yeah, man.
Seen. So where they doing that now?
I'm there, I know,
Because
get a
now
fight
it's
from my
serious,
food.
Eh?
They don't name my food, I give me a fight. And the Chinese, them,
Yeah, seen.
I give me every when me go there, I follow me up a fight, me a fight. Spend money and fight against me. Every
Seen.
move me move. I let me go work and thing, them buy it out.
Seen. And buy out the work and
Them
thing.
buy out everything when me go in now.
Seen.
And them have so much money.
Seen.
And these people rich, Charles and them are two rich set of people them.
Seen.
So everything me
So
do them.
what you supposed to do now?
Supposed to be America.
America.
Yeah, or England. I have two parents, one come from America, one come from England.
Yeah. So you are going to England yet?
I don't know if me ever, my dreams I'm born in England.
Okay. So what about America?
I don't ever go America. I don't know if I ever go America before when I was a child. I don't know if I ever was been there before when I was a child or if I was born there.
You was born where?
I think I born in America or England, one out of the two.
Okay. So how you reach us, sir?
I don't know. In a ship.
On a ship?
Yeah,
Black
somebody-
Star Line or
Somebody carry me around in a ship.
somebody carrying a
So
ship?
my mother cousin them from America carry me around in a ship.
Seen.
That's how me hear the story for true. So my mother cousin them
See.
carry me in a ship around here. I
Seen.
think Charles behind it, my mother husband.
Oh.
Charles and my mother husband.
Oh, seen.
Yeah, Princess Diana husband, Charles.
Seen.
You know, I get a
So really like England, they want to forward to back now then?
Well, anywhere. Either England or America, one of the two.
Seen.
One of the two, me have to go back home and come back from Jamaica. From the fight me I get, and me and that fight around here.
Oh, so you're not supposed to be in Jamaica?
Me have to leave Jamaica.
You have to leave here.
You have to leave.
So how y'all leave?
Well, me have to go stand up for justice. So me if I got the British embassy or the American embassy and try to leave Jamaica.
So them know you up there, or them supposed to know you?
Me have to go there with my parents' picture.
Oh, your
Stand
parents'
up for me
picture?
and stand up because I go up on the internet and reach out to them and me not get through that way then.
Oh.
I have the money for to try to get visa for
So you reach out to them, what do you mean? You like, you
send out message to them.
Hmm.
Donald Trump and the rest of them. Me send message to the world.
So what Donald Trump too?
Yeah, me send message to
So like come account officer now, how that work?
Me don't know. He send me a text saying I talk to Queen Elizabeth to try help me, but it look like Queen Elizabeth now help me.
Oh,
And the other
Queen.
day, me text him and him say I help him, I talk, him send me something and show me say I talk to Queen Elizabeth about the situation and world war and them foolish.
Yeah.
But it seems like Queen Elizabeth now help me.
Seen.
I don't know.
So what do you think I will help you?
But I feel like the American them will help me still, you know.
Seen.
All what go on, you know.
Seen.
Same American or the British.
I'm not here for fight a revolution.
I'm not fight no war, you know. I'm not born to fight the war, you know.
Kai-
And there's so much and me one, so I can't go fight a war.
Oh, seen. So we are going to do about the whole thing. That more I know.
Try to get help. Help must out here somewhere.
Yeah.
Because I don't come from around here, so there must be a way.
Oh,
we
you don't
can
come
get
from
through.
around here.
Don't come from Jamaica.
Oh, you're not from Jamaica?
And anywhere your father come from, you can say yourself that person. If your
Oh.
father is American, you can say he's American too.
Yeah. If
Because
your
you carry your father last name.
okay, so why your last name?
Well, my last name must be Blackwell too.
Yo.
And then give me a last name by the name of Cousins.
Cousins.
Yeah, which is that is not my last name.
Nothing to do with you.
Nothing to do with me. That's somebody else's name they give to me.
Oh.
But
The wrong baby didn't take up in the hospital then. Or,
I don't know. Trick me some cousin in America, trick me here.
oh.
My mother cousin them do it, or my father cousin them do it.
Oh, see.
Like something with them in England and them a cousin and them carry me around here in some submarine or a ship or what.
Oh, submarine forward, you know?
Yeah, or ship. One of the
Ship.
two. Ship
You-
or submarine.
Submarine. One of the two of
One
them.
of the two of them.
See.
And they bring me around here and leave
See.
me from that day.
All right.
And watch me till me turn big man and then they help me.
Oh,
But
they're
no,
not.
but no, me know the truth.
Oh.
I'm trying to get help now.
Oh, seeing.
Yeah.
Seeing. So you want to forward back to England
Yeah.
or America?
Or America. Any one of the two places.
Okay.
Come from the fight at Jamaica, come and get in a fight around here.
Oh, alright. I was saying this everywhere, make everybody know, say, you don't come from around here.
You know, come from, I get a fight.
Get a fight.
Bob Marley, everybody a fight before happen to them.
Bob Marley a fight the same, yeah?
Bob Marley, children.
Oh, children, them?
Yeah. It's something with Chris Blackwell and them, you know, my father and them. I don't know what go down the line. And a lot of people are giving me a fight to like the nails to them, and a lot of people were up things happened to in America by when my father was there, Chris Blackwell.
Oh.
So a lot of people giving me a fight when the system, my father was there running the system.
Oh, so your father run the system?
Yeah, it seems like come I get a fight pertaining to that.
So he might run the system now too?
I don't think something my father passed away.
Oh, you think him pass away?
Yeah,
so no family don't say come tell you, you don't get nothing on the will?
No, I don't get nothing from the will or nothing.
But there's things on the will for you?
Yeah, I think so must be. Must be.
Okay.
Must be.
Alright then.
I'm gonna try to go out there and protest one of these days.
Yeah.
At the American or the British Embassy.
Yeah.
To see if I can get some justice or I can get some help.
I feel you need justice. I feel you need justice.
Yeah, I get justice.
Yeah, man, I need help at the same time too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna protest one of these days.
One of these days.
Yeah, so them can know who me really is.
Alright.
A lot of people don't really know me.
No, enough people don't know you.
So I have to go protest. So
but the whole world have to know you know.
Yeah, the whole world have to go know me.
Alright, that's a word.
But they claim that they need me to save the world.
Oh, are you gonna save the world?
That's what they claim, because they claim like something happened and me and Chris Blackwell's son.
Oh, so you have to save the world.
But the whole America know who Chris Blackwell is.
And you have to save the world.
Yeah, that them say me have to
so you are the chosen one.
And me and Jesus Christ, they said.
Okay.
You know?
Alright.
I don't know.